Mini cooking class part 10.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our cooking. Today we're gonna tell about how to make fruit cocktail.
The material are big jar, water, syrup, and watermelon.
Second, apple, pear, mango, and ice.
After that, knife, cup, milk, and scoop, and nata de coco.
First, prepare all the material.
Cut the fruit into small pieces.
Put the nata de coco first. Second, put all the fruit that you cut.
After that, put a water to the jar. And the syrup. And the milk too. After that, put the ice to the jar. And stir under wheel mix.
After that, you can enjoy your drink. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.